Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to play multiplayer in Halo Infinite. First, ensure you have the game installed and updated. Once launched, navigate to the main menu. You'll see a clear multiplayer option. This is your gateway to all the action, whether you want to team up with friends or jump into a quick match with other players. It's designed for easy access and immediate fun. After selecting multiplayer, you'll be presented with various game modes. Take a moment to browse and pick what suits your mood, from quick play to ranked arena. If you're playing with friends, create a fire team first. Simply invite them from your friends list before queuing up. This ensures you all enter the same match together, ready to dominate the battlefield as a cohesive unit. Halo Infinite boasts a diverse range of game modes, from the large-scale chaos of big team battle to the competitive intensity of arena. Don't forget to personalize your Spartan. Head to the customization menu to change armor, emblems, and weapon coatings. Experiment with different loadouts and settings to find what works best for your playstyle, giving you an edge in every encounter. To truly excel in Halo Infinite multiplayer, consider spending some time in the Academy. It's a fantastic resource for honing your aiming and movement skills. Effective communication with your teammates is also crucial for victory. Call out enemy positions and coordinate pushes. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.